Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. It is Bacon Lovers Day, and my friend Antonio is here to help us make what?
Pig shots.
Oh, I'm so excited. Y'all smell so good in here. Tell everybody how you make this.
Man, these are super simple, super easy. We just take a kielbasa sausage, cut them in about 1 inch round. We wrap our bacon around them that's cut in half. We wrap it around there, put a toothpick through. Then we take our filling, which is a thick mixture of the cream cheese, the caramelized onions, our green onions, and our barbecue seasoning. And then we mixed it all together with some white cheddar cheese and piped them in the bag. Piped them into these shot cups.
Now, I love that. And I love how you season the cream cheese mixture too. The caramelized onions was fabulous. Let me tell you, when he was putting this together, oh my God, it smelled amazing.
They do, they really do.
So I have to try one. Can I try one?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, so while I'm trying this, you're a Buffalo transplant, right?
Yes, I'm a Buffalo transplant. I moved here about 2.5 years ago from the city of Atlanta. Just moved here for family, friends, and just to change your life, just change your lifestyle.
Well, I'm glad you're here.
Buffalo's a great food city, so
yes, it is.
I'm in the right spot.
And where did you get your love for food?
I mean, when I was younger, I've always had a love for food. My grandma, my mom, everybody around us, just our family, just feeding them, and just that's where the love came from. And I worked in restaurants my whole life, and so I never stopped. I changed job careers for a little while just to get the family correct, and then I've always been in the food. I loved it ever since. Got an Instagram that does it and a Facebook that does it. So.
Oh, your Instagram page is amazing. And you're the cook in your family. You love to cook for your family.
Love to cook for my family. That's why I do it. I love to cook for them. Love to, like, my wife works all day, so I love to, like, just at least feed her.
Yes, I love it. You would love it too. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe and so many more. This is so good. Oh, you gotta try one too.
For sure. Always.
Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.